today we are at Anfield Stadium, the home of Liverpool FC, to welcome our students from Pontville School to one of the final sessions of our programme that we've been running with them.
Today is about showing our young people all the different types of job roles within a football club, and for our young people to understand that at LFC it's not just about the football player. There are so many other different jobs within this industry for young people.
Liverpool Football Club and the people who work here. Come on, who do you think works here? The stewards, really important, well done. I love to see young people with a light suddenly pinging on in their eyes. I love to see them suddenly understanding something new, and I love to see them stepping out of themselves and growing in front of my eyes. We have the policemen on a match day. I've got a special room upstairs which we'll point out to when we get to the pitch, and they're there with the fire brigade. Why do you think we need police and fire brigade?
They've made me realise a lot of things about Anfield Stadium and the Liverpool Foundation.
So the sessions have been themed around the different soft skills required in the world of work. So we have themed them around communication, teamwork, self-management, time management, all the attributes that anyone would need when they're going out into the world of employment.
We've had lots of positive feedback. I've spoken to a few parents who have said how it's really supported their child in their communication, their resilience.
Our partnership with the LFC Foundation fits in really well with WG Futures. The programme that we have been doing with the LFC Foundation is all around communication, confidence, self-esteem. So our young people have had that opportunity over the last couple of weeks to have various sessions to look at all of those skills required when they go into the world of work.
Today is the ultimate performance, and we've had a presentation, congratulated them, and just shown them how well they've achieved throughout the programme, really. Meeting people with real jobs. When you came for the day out to the ground, we had loads of fun. The difference in the confidence levels went from here to there. These were really great young people that day. Right, this was a really exciting bit for anyone who wasn't with us. When we went into the changing room, and you saw all the jobs. That's a job. Museum and tours, that's a brilliant job. You meet the public.
So we've been coming in for 6 weeks, and this has been a fantastic project because we've seen the difference in the young people. They're coming out, enjoying themselves, working together, encouraging each other, and that's the kind of thing that we promote at LFC Foundation.
We feel very lucky that we've been part of this project, and we know that the project is going to just blossom across the Witherslack Group schools, and being part of that has already made a difference for our young people and will continue to make a difference, as we've seen a wealth of partnerships with employers, and building those aspirations for our young people is key.
I didn't realise what LFC did, I suppose, behind the scenes, and I think to see the children in all the different parts of the stadium, and actually to see LFC come in and do the games that they do, is absolutely amazing.
Teamwork, communication skills, building confidence, building resilience, which is something people need to do to sort of get into the workplace.
Having the feedback from Liverpool Football to say that our young people were exemplary when they went on the tour just was amazing, and actually those are memories that they won't ever forget.
We've had really positive feedback about the programme with the LFC Foundation. Parents have been in touch with Pontville School to tell how much their child has grown in confidence in starting the programme, and that the fact that they go home after school and they talk about the session, and the parents have really been happy about that.